Today, we're diving into the world of soundproofing and acoustics with a special focus on tips from none other than the world's top DJs. These maestros of music understand the art of creating beats that resonate. Acoustics is important to create the perfect setting of their craft. Welcome to Decibel. And also to our YouTube channel, where our team of professional acousticians tells stories about sound and how it impacts every facet of our lives. If you are somebody fascinated by sound and its effect on human beings, join our DECIBELIAN community of sound enthusiasts who care not only about what they see but what they hear as well. Before we unveil the expert insights, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss a sound of wisdom. Make sure to stay with us till the end as we have prepared a special freebie for you. And without further ado, let's dive into the best soundproofing and acoustic tips from the world's top DJs. Tip number 1, the DJ's sanctuary. The first pro tip emphasizes the strategic studio location. When choosing a room for your studio, try to find one secluded from daily disturbances, facing away from traffic or external noise. Creating your studio in a windowless space can further help against noise interruptions while providing the optimal environment for creative expression. Tip number 2, choosing the correct soundproofing. Creating an efficient soundproof studio requires a bit of a research and, if possibly, a professional consultation with an acoustician who has experience in studio building. Research and understand the difference between soundproofing and acoustics. Keep in mind that for a professional studio, you will need to implement both as they are equally important. Remember that soundproofing will keep your neighbors from your music, but also will give you the opportunity to work without disturbances. On the other hand, acoustics will let you experience the quality of the beats. We, as a sound management team, have created cutting-edge acoustically engineered soundproofing systems for walls, floors, and ceilings. All our systems provide different soundproofing efficiency, have different thicknesses, and require different installation skills. You can explore all our systems and soundproofing materials as well as their technical parameters by visiting our Decibel shop. And so, after you have completed your soundproofing, you have to think about the acoustics. Tip number 3, perfecting indoor acoustics. All top DJs that we have worked with highlight the critical role of acoustic treatment. The meticulous acoustic sculpting ensures every beat and note resonates flawlessly, setting the stage for your ultimate sonic excellence. The good acoustic treatment facilitate a crisp, realistic sound and help reduce sound defects. Equip your studio with ceiling and wall acoustic panels, absorbing mid and high frequencies. Position bass traps in corners to eliminate low-frequency buildup, while diffusers evenly scatter sound waves. Here comes the time for your special gift. Following the numerous requests of our clients, our acousticians have created an extensive guide for the ultimate acoustic panel placement in music studios. Click on the description link to claim your gift right away. Nowadays, studio acoustics is not only about high-quality sound. Crafted to marry functionality and aesthetics, these panels not only transform the sound dynamics of a space, but also elevate its visual appeal. Designed with precision, the wooden perforations strike a balance between absorbing sound waves and creating a captivating visual pattern. You can explore our full collection of wood-perforated acoustic panels on our Decibel shop, or visit our products listed on Amazon UK, US, and Canada. Tip number 4, the ultimate gear arrangement. Arrange gear strategically for easy access while maintaining a fluid workflow. Consider the golden triangle principle, placing primary equipment like decks, mixer, and computer within arm's reach. This not only enhances efficiency during performances, but also streamlines the creative process. Tip number 5, vibration isolation techniques. Enter the realm of vibration isolation, a cornerstone for pristine sound. Experienced DJs recognize the importance of vibro-isolating studio equipment. With a little investment, you can equip your studio with anti-vibration pads for your monitors and gear to minimize vibrations transmitted through surfaces. This prevents unwanted resonance, ensuring your studio remains a haven for pure, uninterrupted from irritating defects. All these gear is widely available to shop online. Tip number 6, adopt appropriate lighting. Beyond setting the right mood, well-planned lighting can enhance your focus, improve visibility, and create an immersive experience for you and your audience. Ensure yourself with adjustable LED lights or smart lighting systems that allow you to customize the ambiance. Consider incorporating lights synchronized with your music beats for a visually engaging performance. As we embark on uncovering more transformative DJ insights, be sure to subscribe for more valuable content. Tip number 7, the importance of gradual build-up. To build the perfect DJ setup is a wise investment that's best approached as a work in progress. Don't be tempted to buy all your equipment at once. Instead, opt for a gradual accumulation. This allows you to test and adjust each addition, ensuring it aligns with your unique style and preferences. Consider exchanging information with fellow DJs who have successfully curated their setups. The road to mastery involves continuous learning and improvement. Join our vibrant community on Facebook, where you can ask questions and receive professional answers from our experienced acousticians. Find the link in the video description below. Tip number 8, mastering monitor placement. Top DJs emphasize the significance of pro-level monitor placement. Some even consider it to be an art form. Ensure that your monitors form an equilateral triangle with your listening position. Tilt them slightly inward to focus sound directly towards your ears. This precision in placement enhances accuracy, allowing you to discern every nuance in your mix with unparalleled clarity. Tip number 9, ergonomics for endurance. Endurance in the DJ world requires attention to ergonomic details. Invest in an ergonomic chair to support long sessions without compromising comfort. Ensure your equipment is at the right height, reducing strain on your body during extended sets. This commitment to ergonomics not only enhances endurance, but also promotes a healthier, sustainable DJ lifestyle. Tip number 10, continuous learning and adaptation. The journey of a top DJ is marked by continuous learning and adaptation, so make sure you constantly stay curious and ahead. Embrace new technologies, techniques, and equipment. Regularly reassess your studio setup, incorporating innovations to stay at the forefront of the industry. This commitment to evolution ensures your studio remains a cutting-edge hub for sonic creativity, reflecting your dedication to the art of DJing. A salute to all the DJs who shared their insights for you. Stay tuned for more expert-driven content. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this with fellow sound enthusiasts. Until next time, well-tuned Decibelians, be brave and keep the sound alive.